Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to give you a spoken topic, medical. Every know about it. In the field of medical, there is a big career for students. Nowadays, students are choosing medical, their career in the field of medical. So if after the 10th class, they go with bio subject, then they prepare for medical field job. So they prepare for NEET exam. If they are selected in NEET, then they go with MBBS doctor. In the field of MBBS doctor, they can earn a lot, they can settle their life, they can make their career in a bright way. That's why students are preparing for NEET exam. Those who are left to prepare NEET exam and they are not selected in the NEET exam, they can go with different other medical field. Like they can go with pharmacy if they are interested, they can go with pharmacist, and if they are not getting job in any private company, and if they are not interested to do a job in the private company, they can get license to open the medical. So by the contact of big hospital and other simple hospital, they can open their medical shop and they can earn a lot. Some can go with BHMS, they can go with homeopathic doctor. Some can go with BAMS, so they can go with, they can become Ayurvedic doctor. So in the field of medical, they can make their career and their future will be secure. They can earn a lot and they can live very good life in the society. And nowadays, there are different other medical fields are there. Nowadays, nursing courses, CCH courses are running in private colleges. They can go with nursing, so they can become male and female nurse, so they can also make their career in the field of this. They can also go with course CCH, Certificate of Community Health. So they can be open their small clinic near about villages. So they can give the first aid to the patient. So they can also make their career in this field. That's why if we talk about medical field, there is a big craze and big opportunity to make their career for students. That's why students are going with it. They can establish their life and they can live their life in a comfortable way. There are many other opportunities in the medical field. Those who are having their own medical, if other students, those who are not having any degree but they are having knowledge about the medicine and other kinds of things, they can work in the medical. Those who are not having any resources and sources and they are not doing, so they can also learn. One more medical field, MR. Some can be choose this career, their career in the field of MR, medical representative. There are many big companies are there. So people can and student can be MR, so they can sell the medicine. They can contact with the doctors and they can give the sell. So they can also make their career. They are the, if we talk about medical field, white collar job is there. Doctors is a white, doctors professor is a white collar job in the society. And if we talk about medical field, all jobs are related. They are the white collar job. That's why people give them respect. And you know, doctor is a most respected person in the society. Doctor, nurse, medical. Do you know, whenever you go to purchase anything, you argue the shopkeeper and you go with the bargaining. But whenever you purchase the medicine from any medical shop, you don't argue with the medical people and they sell the medicine on MRP. So, and sometimes they sell the medicine by companies, and sometimes they can sell local medicine in a big profit. So I am just going to say that the student can make their career in the field of medical, so they can secure their life, they can earn a lot. And nowadays, you know, people are not taking diet in a proper way. People are taking fast food. People are taking not healthy food. So many kinds of diseases are occurring. People are suffering from many diseases. Many common diseases are coming. Viral fever, viral diseases are coming. So they need to knock the door of doctor, they need to knock the door of medical. So they need medicines. And that's why in the field of medical, there is big opportunity and good chances of earning a lot. That's why, and you know, education and medical, both are the big kind of business nowadays. Before some time, education and medical was not a source of business, but there is a big good kind of business, medical and education. That's why some rich people has opened their schools, they are running schools, colleges and other kinds of things, and they are opening the shops of medical, they are opening big hospitals, because they know that in the field of medical they can earn a lot and they are the white collar job. That's why I am going to give you this topic. By this topic you can improve your English and you can get information about the medical field also. That's why I gave you this topic. अगर आपको ये टॉपिक पसंद आता है, अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक और शेयर करें. अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें.